Fatty liver diet. 10 superfruits to eat and 5 foods to avoid immediately. Over 60, your liver might be crying for help, even if you feel perfectly fine. New studies show that more than 1 in 3 seniors in America have fatty liver, and most don't even know it. No pain, no clear signs, until one day your energy drops, your belly grows, your eyes dull, and your digestion just stops feeling right. But here's the good news. You can reverse fatty liver naturally just by changing what's on your plate. Today, we'll uncover the 10 superfruits that cleanse and repair your liver, and the 5 foods silently destroying it every single day. Stay with me till the end, because number 2 on the avoid list is hiding in 90% of American homes. Section 1, understanding the problem. Your liver is your body's silent guardian. It cleans your blood, breaks down fats, and balances your hormones. But over time, things like sugary drinks, late-night snacking, or even healthy packaged foods can overload it. That's when fat starts building up, and we call that non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. Doctors used to think this only affected heavy drinkers, but now it's one of the most common aging-related conditions, especially after age 55. And here's the scary part. Fatty liver often has no symptoms until it's serious. You might feel constant tiredness, brain fog, bloating, a heavy feeling under your ribs. But few realize it's the liver asking for help. Section 2, the science of healing, simplified. Now, here's the encouraging truth. Your liver has an amazing power. It can regenerate. Harvard researchers found that even a moderately damaged liver can rebuild itself within months if you remove the fat overload and feed it right. That's where food becomes your best medicine. Certain fruits are loaded with antioxidants, enzymes, and natural acids that help flush out fat, repair damaged cells, and restore energy. So let's count down the 10 superfruits that your liver will absolutely love. Section 3, 10 superfruits that heal fatty liver. 10. Apples. Apples are simple but powerful. They're rich in pectin, a special fiber that binds to toxins and cholesterol in your gut. This takes the load off your liver's detox system. According to the University of California, apples can lower liver enzymes, a key marker of inflammation. Tip: eat 1 medium apple with breakfast or blend it into your morning smoothie. Just keep the skin on. That's where most of the antioxidants live. 9. Blueberries. Tiny but mighty. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, the dark blue pigments that fight oxidative stress. Studies from the NIH found that these compounds protect liver cells from fat buildup and improve insulin sensitivity. Tip: add half a cup of frozen blueberries to oatmeal or Greek yogurt. Even frozen ones retain almost all their nutrients. 8. Avocados. Avocados are nature's butter, but in a healthy way. They contain glutathione, a detox molecule your liver depends on to break down harmful substances. In Japanese research, avocado extract reduced liver damage caused by oxidative stress by up to 30%. Tip: half an avocado a day can go a long way. Use it on toast instead of butter. 7. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a natural liver cleanser. It's rich in naringenin, a compound shown to help burn fat in liver cells. According to a study in World Journal of Gastroenterology, grapefruit activates enzymes that break down fat and improve liver metabolism. Tip: eat fresh slices in the morning, but if you take medications, check with your doctor first, as grapefruit can interact with certain drugs.